This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, speed-sensitive volume controls, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, adjustable driver pedals, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Bob Stahl Chevrolet for your next new or used vehicle. Our family-owned dealership has been serving the San Diego area for over 40 years. And remember, every new vehicle comes with our low price guarantee. We are conveniently located at 7601 Alvarado Road in La Mesa, just 4 miles east of Qualcomm Stadium. We look forward to serving you.